Well, in these subtraction problems, the denominators are different. That means that we need to find the LCD. But before we do so, we need to factor out, if possible, the denominators. So we just rewrite the first numerator, and the first denominator is a trinomial, not a bad one. So arrangement here will be this. And since we need 3, 5 here, we probably might want to try plus 5 minus 2. And that gives us 3y, so that's the right arrangement. The second denominator is already prime, so we are not going to change anything here. Let's now discuss the LCD here on the side. As we agreed, we list the factors, this is y, of the first denominator, and we will look now carefully at the second denominator to see whether we miss any factors. And we don't. We already have that factor, so this is our LCD. That means that we don't need to change the first numerator because the factor is 1. But in order to find out the factor that we need to multiply the second numerator by, we compare the second original denominator with our LCD and see which factor is missing here in comparison to the LCD, and that's clearly the factor y plus 5. So we need to multiply our second numerator by this factor. So let's now do this. First we write a long fraction bar and write our new denominator for both fractions. The first numerator comes out unchanged, and we put minus because this is a subtraction problem, and then as we agreed we need to multiply y plus 5 by y minus 7. To proceed, we again rewrite our denominator, and as we agreed, before we open the parentheses and change the signs, I advise you that you keep this minus and you FOIL inside the parentheses and then change the sign. So keep the minus sign, parentheses, and inside parentheses let's FOIL. Y squared minus 7y plus 5y minus 35. This is what we have after we FOIL down everything. And we have two choices here. We can first collect the like terms inside the parentheses here, or we can open the parentheses, change the signs, and then collect. So let's do this. We rewrite the first numerator unchanged, and now change the signs for all terms inside the second set of parentheses. Minus y squared plus 7y minus 5y plus 35. So make sure that you change the signs in front all 4 terms. And now it's time to collect like terms in the numerator. We have plus y squared, we cancel this out with minus y squared. And now we can collect like terms. 7y and minus 5y becomes 2y, and now 3 terms. 39 and minus 39 and plus 35 is minus 4. We collected all like terms, and we just rewrite our denominator, but we are not done yet because we have the GCF. We always hope to cancel out as much as possible. So 2 GCF comes out what we have, 2 minus y minus 2, And that's good because now we can cancel this factor with our factor in the denominator. And that provides us with very easy and nice answer. 2 over y plus 5. This is our final answer.